Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add music to photos on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to click on video and I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to add some photos from my device to the InShot project. I'm just going to pick a random photo. Okay, and then we can click on the check mark to add the photos to our project, right? And I'm going to change the canvas guys. Okay, and then if we want to add music to our photos, we need to go to the audio and go to the music, and you can choose the music from InShot, or you can also import music from your device. If you want to import music from your device, you can go to my music, and those are the music or audio from my device. But here I'm just going to choose music from InShot. I'm going to choose this theme. Okay, we need to download the music before we add it to our project. I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the music has been added to my photos, and you can also adjust the duration of the photos. I'm going to make it 3 seconds and click on this double check mark to apply the duration to all photos. Okay, and if you want to match the cut with the music, you can add the beat. You just need to tap on your music, and you can add the audio beat right here to match the cut with the music you have added. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add music to photos on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.